Hello everyone. I'm back with a short update on my current Unity project where I'm making a symmetrical 1v1 game where an AI and a human player battles it out by shooting bullets at each other, and the goal is to of course hit the other guy first and evade the opponent's attacks and not die. In the last devlog, I sort of dipped my toe into Unity's ML Agents package by training an AI to learn how to dodge bullets using reinforcement learning. In this video, I'm gonna talk a bit about my first experience with creating video game art, where I made some sprites for my character like idling, running, jumping, crouching, flying, and whatever this is. Now, I am a machine learning guy and I have very little experience in developing games and absolutely zero background in art. So I felt pretty intimidated by the thought of creating the art for myself. But we all gotta start somewhere, and this was a perfect opportunity for me to learn something new. To begin with, I downloaded this ninja character from the internet. I chose the Bezier pen and began outlining this character. I kept all its different body parts in separate layers. I guess the part I struggled with the most was adding details into the characters, like the shadows and the creases on the clothes. So I pretty much omitted a bunch of things that I didn't know how to replicate and just focused on producing something moderately good. Again, my competition was with the box, so as long as I made something better than the box, I considered it a success. Next, I created some poses for the character. This was pretty easy to do with vector art because I had already made all the body parts in its own layer, and so with a bit of persistence and patience, I managed to twist and turn the arms and legs to generate poses for all the stuff that I wanted the character to be able to do. And then I generated some sprite sheets for each animation and imported them inside Unity. For the animator controller, I decided to just do all my transitioning from the code itself instead of bothering to create all the transition state stuff from the animator controller node editor. I reloaded my previous train policy and watched my dude run and jump over bullets. Since the observation and action space of the character did not change, the new sprites and the animation did not cause any issues on running the previous model. With new powers come new challenges. I updated the bullet firing script so it fires bullets at a higher rate and also from a wider range of heights. In the next devlog, I'm going to dive deeper into the training process of the new RL agent to learn to use these new powers to survive in the new, harder environment. Spoiler alert, I trained a little model and it seems to be working. I did run into a bunch of issues with time scaling and coroutines, but I'll upload the devlog pretty soon elaborating on how all of that went and what pitfalls I had to avoid while training this with ML agents. Until then, be sure to subscribe to the channel to get notified for the next videos. Thanks for sticking around till the end. You are magnificent!